Hello again. So this is the frontage of the tenement building on Plastikard. Now, Boomer suggested that you use a .060 drill bit and drill along the line to make it easier to cut out. Now this is a .065, which is 1/16 of an inch, and that'll be fine. So I'm going to use my Dremel to do that. So let me just get that set up. Well, it turns out that won't fit in the Dremel, so I'll have to use a portable drill. Well, I'm going to do a test first, see how it works. Seems to be okay. I'll need to change the battery. So I'm going to have to be very careful in doing this. It's right in the corner. It'll just make it easier to cut this out. At least that's how Boomer's done it. Now, Boomer said to drill all the way along the line and then cut it out. It will make it so much easier. Yeah, that'll take some time because I have to drill in here also. I'll maybe try and do those corner pieces. Okay, so they're all drilled, and that might make it a bit easier, but this will take some time to do all of those. Stay tuned.